What is going on, fine people of the internet? Welcome to another property tour video. You're probably here because you saw an outrageous thumbnail of a $2.5 million property in Miami Beach. And you're probably wondering, has Miami truly lost its mind? Or better yet, is it worth the price tag? Well, look, whether it's worth the price tag or not, I can't tell you, because if it's worth it for you, it's going to be subjective after all. But we do know that properties are worth what somebody's willing to pay for. And that, of course, is determined by the previous sales in that area. But we also know is that people have been paying a lot of money for a piece of real estate in the South Florida area. And as much as some have hoped for or even expected prices to plummet, that simply just hasn't happened yet. And the argument could be made that the new price baseline that we're seeing today is here to stay for the long term. What I can say is that this 2-bed, 5-bath penthouse located in the Aqua community sure makes a statement and is jam-packed with value, if you ask me. Now, the most obvious reason for the price tag is the location, so we're gonna start. The Aqua community is located in Miami Beach, sure, but not just anywhere on the beach, but rather a very exclusive, intimate, and small stretch of land that is known as Allison Island. This island has been home to some very notable residents over the years, such as rapper Lil Wayne, as well as the CEO of Louis Vuitton, which I personally have ties to because back in 2021, I was able to rent his property. But that's a whole nother story and video for another day. Aside from the exclusivity and premium living experience that a place such as Allison Island is going to provide you with, you also have the unit itself, which is essentially a 2-story townhome in the sky with stunning panoramic views of the ocean, Intracoastal, and the city. Not to mention that this place is perfect for entertaining as it has 2,000 square feet of a private roof terrace complete with a wet bar and a hot tub. So whether it's worth it or not, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's going to be completely up to you. But if you do want to live in one of the best areas and most exclusive areas that Miami has to offer, then this property is definitely going to be on the top of that list. And we all know how supply and demand works, because the reality is that there isn't a ton of supply in Allison Island because, well, they just simply didn't make much to begin with. Anyways, let's get started with today's tour. Make sure to leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more content like this. And with that, guys, let's get started.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care and God bless.